Good morning, grade ones. Today I will be sharing you some information so we can finish up our unit about the weather changing. So remember, through this unit you have learned about many types of weather. You learn about when it was a stormy weather, when it was rainy, when it was partly cloudy, and you learn snowy when it was a snowy day. You also learn windy. What is windy? What is a windy day looks like? Extreme heat, right? Because there were some hot days during this unit. Also cloudy and extreme cold. Like a few days ago, it was so cold. Anyways, so to finish up this unit, I am going to let you guys know that what you see on your side there. So this is how we are going to do this assignment, okay, guys? So what you need to do is I am going to post this video for you. This is a video that's going to be on your page. Okay, yes. It says here, Weather Seasons Library. What you need to do is, when you see that in your eSchool or Moodle, you're going to click on any of these books in the library. Any book you like. All these books are about weather changing. When you pick your book, you are going to record yourself, or if you don't have a printer, you record yourself and tell me all these questions that you see here, all this, answer all these questions. You can write them down on a piece of paper, take a picture of yourself, and make a video recording telling me the title of the book that you pick. What is the title of any of the books that you pick? You're going to pick only one. How we're going to find out who is the author, the illustrator of your book. Well, I have to explain to you how we find out who is the illustrator of our book. So when you check out a book, if you have a paper book, well, look over here. It says buy. When you listen to the video, you're going to listen. When the person started reading, they said, oh, this is the title of this book. They said, for example, Stormy Skies. That would be your title. Whichever you pick from here, whichever book you pick, look at the title. Write it or where it says title, illustrator. Always the illustrator will be the person that makes the video, that put the pictures on the video. Maybe he drew the pictures in your video, okay? Or maybe took pictures. That is the illustrator. So at the beginning of your video, it will start this way. Oh, this book is about blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's what you're going to talk about here. This book was about this. After you listen and watch the video, tell me what the book was about. Tell me the titles. You know, you're going to listen at the beginning of the video. They will say, this book is Snowy Sky, Rainy Days. That will be the title. Author, listen to when they said, this book was written by whoever wrote the book. Listen for the word by. That will be the author. Illustrator, they will say, the illustrator for this book is, and they'll say the name. And that's where we're going to write illustrator, author, and title, okay? We need to do this part. That is a review for your video book, okay? Now, also you're going to tell me 5 things that you learn about this video that you're listening to, or you listen to 5 things that you like and that you learn, okay? Things that are true, or maybe they're not true. Also, you are to rate the book or the video. You're gonna tell me out of 5 stars. Oh, 1 star is like, oh, I like it a little bit. 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Well, it was good. But 5 star will give you like, it was the best book I listened to, the best video I listened to. Also, you will find this video posted for you, and the handout, okay? This handout will be there for you. If you do not have a printer, get a piece of paper and do this. Take a picture and send it to me through Seesaw or any mean that you have, okay? Or through the Moodle. And if you don't want to do this, you can make a video too and tell me what the book was about, answering all these questions. If you have any question and you need any help or support, please call us, okay, to the number over there on my profile or email us, okay? You guys take care. Bye.